Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the start of the note on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and go to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the third option, the settings. Click to the notes option under the dark mode, and here you can find the start note in section, and you can select the body or the title option. Actually, I start my notes in the body, but you can select the title option too. If you want to select, just click that and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.